Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Stokes County, northwestern Rockingham County, Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, western Pittsylvania County, the city of Martinsville, southwestern Bedford County, Henry County, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, Franklin County, until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:24 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stewart, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Rocky Mount, Stewart, Floyd, Boone's Mill, Danbury, and Copper Hill. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Forsyth County, eastern Davidson County, northwestern Randolph County, Guilford County, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:49 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of High Point to near Thomasville to 10 miles east of High Rock Lake, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Thomasville, Kernersville, Archdale, Summerfield, Trinity, Stokesdale, Pleasant Garden, and Jamestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, Guilford, and Randolph. National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Rockingham County, southeastern Roanoke County, western Campbell County, Pittsylvania County, northwestern Halifax County, the city of Martinsville, Bedford County, Henry County, Franklin County, until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Boone's Mill to near Ridgeway, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Bedford, Rocky Mount, Alta Vista, Hurt, Chatham, and Gretna. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway, the National D-Day Memorial, and Martinsville Airport. Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, western Orange County, eastern Randolph County, eastern Guilford County, western Chatham County until 10:15 a.m. At 9:28 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monroe to Randleman to near Biscayne, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Burlington, Asheboro, Graham, Randleman, Siler City, North Carolina Zoo, Mebane, Seagrove, and Elon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Guilford, Orange, and Randolph. Since July 1st still stands at a trace. The normal high temperature. until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, Halifax, Person, Hunt, and Warren, and the following counties in Virginia: Orange, Person, Vance, Wake, and Warren. Remember, thunderstorm watches are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and proceed with possible and possible warnings. Videos will be running to you. Nationally, information. This is NOAA weather. In Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Alamance County in central North Carolina, Person County in central North Carolina, Orange County in central North Carolina, Durham County in central North Carolina. Hail. There have been reports from spotters of penny-sized hail and tree damage from the line. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Roxborough, Hillsborough, Carrboro, Memphis, Richmond, Concord, and Fall River. On the lowest floor of a building, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds and ground lightning. Shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued in several counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Durham, Orange, and Person. This is NOAA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Mecklenburg County. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Mecklenburg County, Eastern Lunenburg County, Quarter Lake County, Northwestern Dinwiddie County, Northwestern Brunswick County until 12:15 p.m. Damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cambridge and Dundas around 11:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fort Pickett around 12:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cambridge and Dundas around 11:55 a.m. Fort Pickett around 12:10 p.m. Blackstone, Corner, Barrow Store, Murdoch's, Forkland, The Falls, and Fortsville. Gills Corner, Barrow Store, Murdoch's, Forkland, The Falls, and Fortsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakefieldBuh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Lunenburg, and Mecklenburg. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cumberland County in central Virginia, southeastern Prince Edward County in central Virginia, northwestern Lunenburg County, northwestern Nottoway County, southwestern Amelia County in central Virginia until 12:45 p.m. At 11:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Green Bay, or near Victoria, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Burkeville around 12:05 p.m. Crew and Rice around 12:10 p.m. Jetersville around 12:20 p.m. Amelia Courthouse around 12:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Prince Edward Station, Arvin Store, Twin Lakes State Park, Rhodolphil, Nutbush, Burke's Tavern, Schofield, Moran, Pineville, and Maplewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter @WakefieldUp. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lunenburg, Virginia. Thunderstorm Watch number 161, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Greene, North Carolina. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Southeastern Moore County, southwestern Harnett County, northeastern Richmond County, west central Cumberland County, northern Hope County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen, or 7 miles southwest of Southern Pines, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pope Air Force Base, Whispering Pines, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, and Venice. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, and Richmond. This is NOAA. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County, Scotland County, northwestern Sampson County, Harnett County, southeastern Richmond County, Cumberland County, south central Lee County, Hope County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles southeast of Sanford to 7 miles west of Pope Air Force Base to Rayford to near Loringburg to near Bennettsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Loringburg, Southern Pines, Rayford, Wilmington, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Aberdeen, Maxton, and Godwin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Hope, Lee, Moore, Richmond, Sampson, and Scotland. At 3:51, the National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Wayne County, Sampson County, eastern Harnett County, Cumberland County, south central Lake County, southwestern Wilson County, Johnston County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Angier to near Lillington to near Fayetteville to near Rex to near Clio, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, Expect damage to roof, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Smithfield, Clinton, Wilmington, Clayton, Dunn, Angier, Benson, Godwin, and Hope Mills. For your protection, be responsible for your room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Johnston, Sampson, Wayne, and Wilson. Here is a special message. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county: Johnston, North Carolina. Flood warning in effect until tomorrow afternoon. Minor flooding is forecast on the News River at Smithfield until tomorrow afternoon. Impacts at 15.0 feet. Minor flooding begins. Flooding begins along the News River Walk. Water nears the base of the holding tank at the water treatment plant. At 9:15 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 14.5 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 15.6 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. This is NOAA.